following content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This content should not be taken as medical advice.
Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 145. Today's episode is a quick one, but it's an update on a patient that we've used in other videos. This patient normally has very impacted cerumen. After 2 times of being so impacted that they lost hearing almost completely and experienced a ton of oral fullness, they just decided to be proactive and get in to see us much earlier. This is only about 2 months worth of earwax. Now it's not a ton, but it's enough that we can clearly see that this patient would be impacted if we were to wait the full year between. On that first ear, now we have a great view of the eardrum. Unlike in previous appointments, when they came in after using Q-tips and pushing the wax way down, you could see that the wax really only extends to about where the hair ends, staying in the outer 1/3 of the ear canal. This means that they're doing a great job of avoiding Q-tips to help to keep their ears free of a deep impaction. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and gets me motivated to put out more of this content for educational and entertainment purposes. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.